You're reviewing a normal pull request. The database column is an integer before the change, and it's still an integer after. Every schema test passes, so the change looks safe. But the value used to mean dollars. Now it means cents. Nothing in the schema can see that. The production credit model can. This is AHEAD. AHEAD checks what a data change will actually do before your team merges it. It connects to the tools the team already uses. GitHub supplies the proposed change. DataHub tells AHEAD where that field goes, which model depends on it, and who owns the risk. The team's evaluator measures the model's response. Slack brings the result to the right person. Let's follow this change. AHEAD asks DataHub about the affected field. DataHub traces it from the source dataset, through the bill amount feature, into the credit default model, and finally to the production risk service. That means AHEAD isn't guessing from a table name. It knows the real blast radius and the responsible team. First, we run a control. The value stays in dollars. AHEAD tests 9,000 held-out records. The model behaves exactly as before. Zero shift. This version is safe. Now we run the proposed change. Dollars become cents. The schema still passes, but the model's positive prediction rate drops from 37.84% to 6.43%. That's a 31.41 percentage point shift. The team's limit is 5. AHEAD blocks the pull request before it reaches production. And it explains why in terms a reviewer can act on. Which meaning changed, which model moved, how much it moved, who owns it, and what policy was crossed. Then AHEAD proposes the smallest fix. Convert the value back to dollars before the model sees it. It tests that fix too. The original behavior returns. Because the field's meaning still changed, AHEAD asks the owner to review instead of silently approving it. The owner receives the same evidence in Slack, with the affected DataHub lineage and the tested remediation. AHEAD also saves the decision back to DataHub, so the next engineer or the next agent inherits what happened. This isn't a fake alert or a pre-recorded result. The demo uses 30,000 attributed UCI records, a real trained model, live DataHub context, and decisions that change when the input changes. AHEAD gives teams a simple promise. Before a data change can break a production model, the people responsible will know what changed, what it affects, and how to fix it.